All right, today I'm drawing the Ben Cooper Vampire Bat Girl Doodle. Welcome to the Charlie Doodle experiment. So I copied this from or traced over a mask that was from Ben Cooper Costumes. They were a big manufacturer of Halloween costumes back in the 60s and 70s. They probably went further, maybe even went later into the 80s, but this one was kind of unique because it has this bat on the forehead of this mask. So I was automatically drawn to it because if it has a bat on it, I'm into it. It's something from my childhood, I guess. I just think bats are cool. But for this one, I tried to pay homage to it. It's obviously not the same mask, but I tried to redo it in my version or the way I do things. And so you guys see the bat's a little bit different. If you get a chance, go look up the Vampire Bat Girl mask and you'll see what I'm talking about. They did a lot of different versions of them, and this one's my version. So since it's that era of Ben Cooper mask of the 50s, 60s, 70s, there's going to be high contrast colors on this one. So you're going to see the bright yellows, the bright purples, the bright blues, the bright reds, and of course I'm going to throw on a bright green background. So there it is. Comment, like, subscribe. I hope you like this one, and I'll see you around. Take it easy.